In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Binance UK, a comprehensive guide that makes it easy even for beginners in 2025. Let's dive straight into the process so you can start trading today with confidence. First things first, before you even open the Binance app, it's crucial to have your account fully verified. Binance uses a process known as KYC, or Know Your Customer, which is imperative for ensuring the security of your transactions and personal information. Make sure your identification documents are submitted and verified through your Binance profile. This step is non-negotiable as it safeguards your engagement in future trades. Once your verification is squared away, open the Binance app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several options. Tap on Trade, and from there navigate to P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, which is an effective method for buying and selling cryptocurrencies directly with other users, enhancing both accessibility and flexibility in your transactions. Next, let's decide on the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase. Binance offers a wide range, but some of the more common choices include Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Select your preferred coin and then enter the amount you'd like to buy in GBP. Ensuring you enter your desired financial commitment in the correct currency is crucial for streamlining your purchase process. Now, you'll need to filter your options to find credible traders offering competitive rates. On the Binance platform, verified merchants can easily be identified by a diamond icon next to their names, signifying their high completion rates and trustworthiness. This is key as it minimizes risk and maximizes transaction success. Browse through these trusted sellers and pick an offer that aligns with your purchasing goals, giving consideration to both price and seller reliability. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and enter the exact amount in GBP again, then tap Buy. This will generate a transaction request. What follows next is pivotal. Using the bank details provided by the seller, transfer the funds directly from your bank account. Be meticulous in making sure the details match precisely to avoid any hitches. After you release the payment, ensure you tap on Transferred in the app, and for ultimate reassurance, upload proof of your payment. Finally, a little patience is necessary. Await the seller's confirmation of payment receipt. Once confirmed, watch closely as the cryptocurrency appears in your funding wallet on Binance. This marks the successful completion of your very first cryptocurrency purchase using Binance's P2P trading. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the know-how to buy crypto confidently on Binance UK. Remember, double-checking each step ensures a smooth and secure transaction, allowing you to benefit from the exciting world of cryptocurrency with peace of mind.